Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking kining-kaningin, walang po ba palakpakan dyan? Wala rin po ba hiyawan dyan? Marami pong salamat. For I always believe that the best thing to be accepted is just to be yourself. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Or should I say, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. A girl is standing before you is a fresh and indeed innocent, just only 21 years old sinner. And I am very proud and humbled because I am your It Showtime Miss Q&A Season 3 Queen of the Multibex First Runner-Up. My name is Miss Karen Montesilio, and I am truly all the way for the place that you can experience just like a silver lining. Yes, I am all the way from Tondo, Manila. But tonight, since this is a beauty pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. I am the only girl who captured the heart of Mr. Ronnie Alonte. Opo, tama po kayong lahat. Ako po si Amy, at minsan si Baby. Sa Pira-Pirasong Paraiso, bakit hindi niyo po sabay-sabay subukang palakpakan at hiyawan ang nag-iisang kawames ni Binibining Loisa Andario. And I always believe, si Bez Amare Amor, if you want to be loved, learn how to love. And if you want to be respected, learn how to respect. Judges, I am your candidate number 1. Mark my number because I will give you the best show and a night. So remember, at ako po ang unang kandidata na nagsasabi at nagbabati na maligayang Kapaskuhan sa ating lahat at tayo po ay magmahalan. Marami pong salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1.
Para walang mga energy. Hep, hep! Hooray! Mga uto-uto. Joke lamang po. Liberty, gravity, beauty and transformation, or should I say LGBT. Tonight, yes it is. It is the gathering of all the beauty icons from all over the Philippines, fighting for one title, one crown. And as the pageant begins, all of us is one simple question that goes, who is the fairest of them all? And behind the question is the question of how do we define true beauty? Let us all find out as we witness the metamorphosis of a struggling caterpillar as it turns into a splendid rajuli, spreading the glittering dust of optimism, love, and unending happiness. Diyos marhay na banggi po sa Indugabos, or should I say a beautiful evening, people of the land. Standing here in front of you is one of your Eat Bulaga Super Serena Philippines 2018 semi-finalists, all the way from the Queendom of the Earth. My name is Micaela Opada, but tonight allow me to carry the image of your controversial girl, your Philippine sweetheart, with the lines, "That is so hot." Masarap, but I'll just touch myself na lang. Yes, this is your number one cheater, but now a dreamer. This is your Maris Racal. I am 29 years old, proud and honored to represent all the way from the home of Oragons and the home of Spicy Bicol Express, Kamsao, Camarines Sur, Bicol, Langa. And tonight, I am wearing not only just an extravagant costume, but a relevant and timely costume. As you can see, it's a Philippine eagle that symbolizes the Philippines soaring high, holding the globe that symbolizes the world, protecting it. Because today, I stand not only a beauty queen, but as guardian of our world, protecting our mother nature. Thank you.
Sayaw ka sa kadalanan, ginamit ang tanang katawhan, sa ulubog ta ang kapistahan, sa tiyagang hilabihan.
Aking pinanggalingan. Bakit? Ang baba ng may. Ang hindi pumalakpak, mamamatay kinabukasan. Ang hindi magiyawan, masusunugan ng bahay. I'm not for rent, I'm not for sale. You cannot touch me, you cannot hold me, cause I'm for your eyes only. A glorious evening to each and everyone. My name is Carla Avila, at 24 years of age, truly all the way from the heart of the Philippines, which is the costume that I represent, the modern Moriones Festival of my very own Gasan, Marinduque, Isla ng Pilipinas. And yes, I'm proud to share that I'm one part of Miss Q&A last 2018. Opo, totoo po yun. And one proud segment of Itbulaga Quiz Bee last 2018. Opo, totoo din po yun. And one of the segment of Wawawin bilang isang kontesera na may anak sa pagkabinata. Opo, totoo din po yun. And I'm proud to say that I'm taking Bachelor of Science in Office Administration, Dean's Lister, and proud magna cum laude. Siyempre, joke lang po yun. But since this is a pageant, please do allow me to stand by the name ang nagpatigas at nagpatayo sa tindig ni Mr. Troy Montero. Ba't di natin sabay-sabay palakpakan at hiyaw-hiyawan si Binibining Aubrey Carampel. Joke lamang po. Binibining Aubrey Miles. Binibining Aubrey Miles na mag-iiwan ng mga kasabihan bagaman tayo'y nagkakasiyahan at GB-GB lamang po. Na sana po ay walang halong luto ang patimpalak na ito. Dahil po ang aking mga magulang ay may laing mangkukulam na nasa inyong likuran. At sana naman po ang mga hurado ay mag-adjust. Nahihirapan na kaming tumunan. At bakit sa tuwing may unos na dumarating sa ating bansang Pilipinas, bakit kami mga bakla ang laging sinisisi nyo? Kapag may lindol, bakla ang sinisisi nyo. Kapag may baha, bakla pa rin ang sinisisi nyo. Porket ba bakla, Malas? Porket mabakla? Salot? Sa susunod naman, tomboy naman ang pagtripan nyo? At sa mga tomboy na nanonood ngayong gabi, ang lalakas ng loob nyong maglagay ng condom sa inyong wallet. E daliri lang naman ang inyong ginagamit at nagdamay ka pa ng mga kababaihan. Pa-couple shirt pa kayo. He's my king, she's my queen. Eh parehasan din naman kayo, nakanapkin. Kaya kung masaya kayo sa piling ng isa't isa, pues, paki kayo dalawa. Hashtag walang forever. Just enjoy the show. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4.
Good evening, people of Caloocan. Hi! Ang hina naman, hi! Hello! Ladies and gentlemen, naniniwala po ako na sunod sa advokasya ng LGBT Pilipinas. Kaisa po ako at ang bayan na ito na minsay naniwala, nanindigan na kayang-kaya namin ipaglaban ang aming kakarampot na karapatan. Kung kaya't ngayong gabi wala pong isusumpang mamamatay, lalong-lalo ng please huwag po nating isumpang may masusunugan ng bahay dahil ang tangi lamang po namin hiling ay ang inyong masigabong palakpakan. Thank you so much! Hip hip! Saan ka punta? Thank you so much! Nanggaling pa po ako sa malayong lugar ng Capiz, Aklan. Ang nanay ko po'y tinuring nilang mangkukulam at ang tatay ko naman po ay isang mambabarang. Kaya't pasing-tabi lamang po sa hindi ko nakikitang bilang ng mga hurado. Konting pagkakamali po ay iwasan. Dahil siguradong lulusubin kaya ng aking mga kinakapatid na aswang na nandyan sa akin, likuran. Joke lang yun, oh. Joke lang. Huwag seryosoin. Charing lang. At sa mga tabulators, make sure na kapag inyong number 1 dahil siguradong lalamunin kayo ng aming mga makeup artist na purong mga tikbalang. Joke lamang po, pinapasaya ko lamang po ang inyong gabi. Diyos, marhay na panggil sa inyong gabos, or should I say, what a glamorous and spectacular evening. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Miss Maria Sofia Alcantara, and I am proud to say that I am 33 years old. I'm an AB Mass Communication graduate from the University of the Philippines in Diliman, Quezon City. Proud graduate as a valedictorian when I was in elementary and high school, and I am proud to say that I graduated college with flying colors as a legitimate magna cum laude. Thank you so much. Hindi ko po ipinagmamayabang anuman po ang antas ng pag-aaral na aking narating, ngunit lagi po natin ipamumutawi at itatarak sa ating munting isipan na ang karunungan, ang kayamanan, hindi maagaw ng liman. Nasa inyo pong harapan ang tunay na nanay ng impactang si Marga. Ang babaeng nag-trending sa kalsada, hila-hila ang pulang maleta. Ang tunay na nagmamayari ng pabrika ng Camila, si Binibining Daniela Dimples Romana, who always believed that I may not be the most sexiest candidate tonight. I may not be the most prettiest, but allow me to prove my wit, because I am the only candidate who represents the bisexual community of Metro Manila. Lagi po natin pakakatandaan, hindi po ako mag-iiwan ng bastos o anumang nakakatuwang kasabihan. Mga kaibigan, mga manonood ngayong gabi, matapos ang bagong taon at ang Kapaskuhan, ilalagay natin sa ating mga kamay ang tunay na kapangyarihan upang iluklok sa gobyerno ang magsisilbing tama at tunay na lingkod bayan. Kung kaya't ngayong gabi atin po natin pakakatandaan mawawala sa ganda. Dahil ang tunay na pambansang kasuotan ay ang may tunay na ipinaglalaban. Sabi nga nila, beep, beep, beep! Ang sabi ng jeep, let us support. No to jeepney. Praise out. And tonight, hindi po kami nag-aagawan sa pera o nag-aagawan sa corona. Itinatatak lang po namin sa inyong mga isipan na anuman po ang aming kasarian, kami rin po ay karapat-dapat na bigyan ng karapatan. Good evening! Enjoy the rest of the night, and I'll be back. Thank you so much.
Sayaw ta sa kadalanan, ginamit ang tanang katawhan, saulugod ta ang kapistahan, sa tiyak.
Sa nilayo-layo po ng aking pinanggalingan, nasa ilong ko po ang mic. Biro lamang po. Ladies, gentlemen, and in between, in a world full of Maria Osawa, allow me to be your Maria Clara. People of Caloocan City, ang hindi pumalakpak, judges, masusunugan ng bahay. Audiences, ang hindi umiyaw, madadamay kapitbahay. Biro lamang po. People of Caloocan City, I always believe in the 1987 Philippine Constitution, Article 3, Section 4 of the Bill of Rights, that no law shall be passed abridging the freedom of speech, freedom of the press, and most especially the freedom of expression. That is why I am here standing in front of you, expressing the way I want to be. Mabuhay, people of Caloocan City! This is Casey Serena, a sweet 21 years old all the way from the fishing trade capital of the Philippines, where the Pangisdaan Festival is celebrated. I am not your Miss Q&A, nor your Super Serena Grand winner, but I am proud and humble that I am your Queen of Nabotas 2019. At para po sa mga kandidata ngayong gabi, tama na po ang mga cum laude, magna cum laude, at summa cum laude, dahil wala po tayo sa recognition day. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, para po sa kandidata na nagsabi na patay na po si Mukhang, nagkakamali ka. Sapagkat ako po ay nabuhay upang magpakilig at magpasaya sa inyong pamenang nasasakupan. Why don't you give me a clap? Ang minsan na pong nagpatibok sa binikang puso ni Tanggol sa Batang Quiapo. Yes, your Mukhang is alive. Binibining Lovey. Po. And tonight, since this is a battle of the festival, cultural and national costume, allow me to wear a beautiful Filipiniana costume which truly inspired from the Bulaklakan, all the way from the province of Bulacan. Because I always believe, judges, that the true essence of costume is not about how big, but is how you give life to that costume that you are wearing. At bago ko polisanin ang inyong harapan ngayong gabi, nag-iiwan po ako ng hindi bastos, hindi nakakatawa. Ngunit isang paalala lalong-lalo na sa mga kabataang bakla na narito ngayong gabi. Bago po kayo magpaganda, lumaklak ng kung ano-anong pampaputi, pampalaki ng hinaharap. Please lamang po, magsiaral po muna kayo. Dahil ika nga po ni Kuya Kim, lamang ang may alam. Sapagkat
Kung ikaw ang edukadong tao, walang sino man ang tatapak sa iyong pagkatao. Ladies, gentlemen, and in between, judges, I am your beautiful candidate number 6. Please do mark my number because we are celebrating the beauty of Transpinay. Thank you so much and good evening.
Sayaw ka sa kadalanan, ginamit ang
For in this generation, we are called to embrace change, embrace differences. So whatever your sexual orientation, gender identity, or expression is, acceptance and respect should and must be arrived with a glamorous, spectacular evening to each and everyone. The girl who is naked in your eye is a fresh and indeed 22-year-old stunner, hailing all the way from the city of love and friendship, the motorcycle capital of the Philippines. Your hometown, my hometown, Caloocan City. My name is Miss Paris Poblete, a proud Latin honor graduate with a bachelor's degree of computer science, major in computer programming at University of Caloocan City. But now working as a senior data analyst and advocate for inclusion and diversity from one of the finest, top company, and longest running BPO in the country, Accenture Philippines. Tonight, I may not be your veterana or batang contestera, but I'm very proud and humbled to share to everyone that yes, last August 23, 2022, I am the only contestera from Team Caloocan who made it to the final round of your It's Showtime Miss Q&A Queen of Multidex. Totoo po yan. I-search nyo pa sa YouTube. But this night, allow me to stand and carry the image of your one and only, the most controversial woman of this year. Ang babaeng minsan na pong nagsabi ng Karen, ang iyong friends sabihin pag di mo lang sa nag-aral. Opo, ako nga po, ang babaeng pilit sinasabi at itinatanggi. Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor. Opo, ako nga pong babaeng lumaki sa farm, ang nag-iisang mayora ng Bambantarlac. Tawagin niyo lamang po sa pangalang Guwangping o mas kilala sa pangalang Alice Guwon. Alice Guwon na nagsasabi na sa gobyernong tapat, ang buhay, ang lahat. At opo, bukas, kulay rosas ang bukas. Judges, the costume that I am wearing for tonight is all the way from our very own country, the rich culture of the Philippines, wearing our very own Filipiniana with a collaboration of Panapanga Festival in Benguet, Baguio City. Once again, this is your candidate number 8, Alice Dumasegi. Muli, ating pong ipag-iwang ang gandang Transpinay at hindi po spy. Maraming salamat po.
Hello! Meron po ba kayong pagkain dyan? Joke naman po. I always believe that there is only one thing that makes our dream impossible, and that is fear of failure. For I believe that failing is another form of winning, and that is learning. My dearest panel board of judges, my loveliest audiences tonight, my real name is Bim Bim Oranza Almarinayam, 24-year-old stunner, but surely hails
all the way from Barangay Holy Spirit, Quezon City, and I'm proud to say that I'm one of my barangay's HIV and AIDS advocates. A Bachelor of Science in Public Administration graduate from National College of Business and Arts in Fairview, Quezon City, graduated with the highest distinction, magna cum laude. But since tonight this is a battle of beauty and brain, allow me to carry the image. Opo, ako po ang nag-iisa at ang tunay na kawangis ni Binibini Lowy po. Lowy po na hindi na magsasabi ng bastos o nakakatawang kasabihan. For I always believe that our panel board of judges knew what they are doing. They are credible to identify and distinguish who really deserve to win the crown tonight. Again, I am candidate number 9, Binibini Lowy po, saying, I may be your last candidate, but surely not the least. Again, I will be right back. Thank you.